Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you can act. Confirm you have Connect Plus Create Schema rights or use a DB owner account. Once connected in SSMS or SQL CMD, pick a clear schema name and target the correct database. Now run a minimal statement to create it, for example. Create Schema Sales Authorization DBO. This creates the container and sets ownership. Make sure to run in the intended database context. Otherwise, you'll create schema in the wrong place. Once done, define what lives inside that schema and why. Grouping related tables, views, and functions clarifies security and maintenance. You can create objects in the same Create Schema statement or create them afterward with fully qualified names like sales. Customers. Set ownership deliberately, authorization DBO or a specific user, because owners affect permission chains. Also, wrap complex changes in begin tran. Commit so you can roll back if dependency errors occur. You finish by granting permissions and validating the new schema. Run grant statements at the schema level, then verify objects and ownership using select schema name, schema ID, and querying sys objects. Refresh SSMS Object Explorer to see changes. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot ownership and permission chains first. Missing rights often block access. Resolve by running alter authorization on schema, sales to DBO, or adjusting role memberships. Finally, document the schema purpose and include it in your backup and deployment scripts to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.